wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best makeup sponges. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Made entirely of hypoallergenic polyurethane, the Real Techniques Base Round Bottom comes a pack of 2 in a bright orange hue that makes them hard to miss. They're a great choice for the even application of liquid foundations. The foam is extremely soft, and they work best when wet. However, they're not great for distributing powder. At number 9, with an Easter-ready color scheme, this pack of 6 from Esarora Beauty is great for keeping your face on par with your Sunday best. They expand when wet to allow for rapid application across your entire visage and can be used dry with powder products as well. You get a mix of round points and chiseled tips, and they're firm without being too stiff. But some of the colors bleed dye initially. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Rather than foam or another absorbent material, the 3 blenders included in the Bontime set use a non-porous silicone surface. They allow you to efficiently spread your concealers and foundations without wasting product. They come with individual storage pouches and rinse clean with ease. However, the foam backing deteriorates quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup sponges, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, regardless of whether you choose the round, square or oval shape, the Kooba Powder Puff Blender comes as a 2-pack with a single clear plastic storage case that makes it easy to take with you anywhere. It works well with both wet and dry foundations. It's easy to wash with soap and soft and easy to compress, but the application tends to be streaky. Moving up our list to number 6. If you prefer to use a fresh piece of foam on your face every time, the Wonder Wedge 100 pack will allow you to do just that without breaking the bank. They're great for professionals who want to show their clients that they're using clean tools. They're made of biodegradable materials and work well with nail polish too. However, they are too soft for some precision uses. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Amoore 4-pack includes a quartet of useful tools, each one a slightly different shape from the others, but all in a matching hot pink hue. The 2 small ones are perfect for around the eye and lip details, while the larger pair make putting on foundation a breeze. They come luxuriously packaged and are quite firm for precise control. They also work well for makeup removal. At number 4, thanks to its all-black foam body, the Zenda Naturals applicator makes it extremely easy to see where your cosmetics are on its surface, so you can avoid patchy coverage. It has a seamless teardrop shape, the pointed edge of which is great for contouring. It handles all types of product well and glides smoothly across the skin. However, it takes a few days to dry completely. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. While their teardrop shape looks fairly standard at first glance, the 4 blenders included in the Beakey Professional feature a variety of surfaces, each of which is best suited to a different area of your face. They come in a resealable bag, which is great for storage. The set includes a foundation brush, and they're easy to clean with standard shampoo. The tips are great for contouring. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup sponges, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, whether you have lots of clients to attend to or you simply find yourself beating your own face multiple times per day, the 5 blenders included in the Crafteeze Beauty have you covered. As an added bonus, the set includes a silicone brush for product removal. The foam is antibacterial, and they won't leave streaks behind. It's a great value for the price. And taking the top spot on our list. Available in a variety of colors, the original Beauty Blender is the gold standard for this category. While it's much more expensive than many of its imitators, it makes up for the cost with its durability and the smoothness with which it applies creams and powders alike. It has a soft and bouncy texture and is made of latex-free materials. It includes a handy case for drying and storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for makeup sponges, or simply click beneath this video.